Ho, 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 and Merry Christmas! There is nothing cheesier than Christmas in July. You might wonder why I'm standing here next to a Christmas tree during the blazing heat of summer. Well, that's because pretty soon, Christmas will be here. One of the things we see every year, in September and October and November, people call to get their kitchens, their bathrooms, their homes freshened up for the holiday season. Home remodels are not like what you see on TV. They take time, they take planning, they take ordering of materials. The more time you can give yourself to come in and meet with our designers and go through your selection process and really take time to put all the components of your remodel together, the better. And hopefully at the end of it, you're left with a product that is really a great addition to your family. And Christmas will have come early.